I remember the first electric lamp shown to the telegraph engineers, that's now the institution, by Sir Joseph Swan.
And the growth of the influence of the Institution of Electrical Engineers, which I've tried to serve since I was a youth, I feel grateful to a providence which has guided my humble steps along such channels of intense scientific interest and at the same time of usefulness to the community.
In today's complex society, it is extremely difficult for an engineer working in isolation to achieve his full potential. He needs an organization to collect the vast amount of information generated and to present it in an easily assimilated form. This is an important part of the IEE's function. The institution's library is housed in the London headquarters and is probably the best equipped in the country dealing with electrical engineering and allied subjects.
The current will flow and the fuse will blow.
I'm glad that I have a part in making this new brave world.
The electricity will pass down one fluorescent tube across my body. I can light the tube with my other hand.
Things have changed, however. Today, you don't have to have suits and moustaches, you don't even have to be male. And we will see things that have really changed and revolutionized science, the way that it's done, the people that do it.
I want you to make as much noise as possible. 3, 2, 1, go!
If one is interested in what are the critical problems in the world today, and one is interested in how do you bring practical solutions to those critical problems, then that's what an engineer is all about.
If you want to play your part in the shaping of the IEE and help direct it along paths which will best serve the world of tomorrow, get into the institution now and start to do something about it.